Number 8. The graphs below show the total value in US dollars of the imports and exports of country W with its only 3 trade partners, countries X, Y, and Z, in a recent year. So country W is going to be the country we're looking at, and they're trading with country X, country Y, and country Z. And we're looking at the value of imports. These are goods coming in millions of dollars on the y-axis. And we're looking at the value of exports, which would be goods going out of country W into these other countries, also in millions of dollars. So the question is, what percent of country W's total imports was from country X? Now be careful. We are looking at total imports. The exports are irrelevant, so just scratch those out. We only want imports, but we want total imports. So total means to add. We need to add up our countries here. So country X is sending $40 million worth of stuff into country W. Country Y is sending $80 million, and country Z is sending $40 million. So if we get the total of those imports, we have 40 plus 80 plus 40. So country W is importing $160 million total in a recent year. The question says, and I'm going to go back to my paper so I don't have to scroll up and down, what percent of country W's total imports was from country X? So we're looking at this value out of the total, 40 out of 160. And there are a couple of, really 3 ways you can do this, and I'll show you all of them. You can simply set up a fraction and divide. 40 divided by 160 is 0.25. You can do a proportion where you put percent, which is what we're looking for, over 100, part over whole, and then multiply. So you get 4,000 divided by 160, which should be 25. Let me just double check that. It's late in the evening and I'm sleepy, so let me see. It is 25. The other way that you can do it, if you use the triangle method, some teachers teach that, and that's a pitiful triangle, but let's pretend that is nice and straight. You have the part, which is 40, and the whole, which is 160, and that's a division problem. 40 divided by 160 is 0.25, or 25%.